Good morning, class. Now we are going to study about the dry cell or Leclanche cell. It is one of the type of primary cell. The questions which are mainly asked on the dry cell is number 1, anode. Anode over here is made up of a zinc metal. Second question which is being asked about the cathode is made up of graphite. Then the third question they ask in your examination is dry cell electrolyte of the dry cell, that is MnO2 and carbon which touches your cathode, and the paste of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride which touches your anode. Now let us deal with the key reaction which is being asked in your board examination. The first is the reaction occurring at anode. Say, as our anode is made up of zinc, so zinc will perform the chemical reaction over here. Zinc is a metal, so do have the tendency to release 2 electrons of it and become Zn2+. Meanwhile, our cathode is attached with the electrolyte, therefore MnO2 and NH4+ react over here. These 2 electrons from anode rushes towards cathode. So the chemical reaction as the reactant half of the cathode will be 2 moles of MnO2 and 2 moles of NH4+ reacts with 2 moles of electron. See, I had simplified the chemical reaction over here. Do remember that out of these 2 moles of MnO2, 1 mole of MnO2 will act as oxidizing agent. So perform the oxidation of this another mole of MnO2 and these 2 moles of NH4+. When this MnO2 oxidizes MnO2 over here, it turns out to be Mn2O3. Meanwhile, here in NH4+, as a result of oxidation, it results in release of H+ ion. As 1 mole of ammonium ion releases 1 H+, so 2 moles of ammonium releases 2 H+. So we will be getting what? 2 moles of ammonia and 2 moles of H+ is being released. This 2 moles of H+ rushes towards 1 mole of O2- forms 1 mole of water. So the product released at cathode will be 1 mole of MnO2, 2 moles of NH3 and 1 mole of H2O. Hopes you understand this chemical reaction.